Ate, patambay. Hey guys, this is the Vain Black Cat and welcome to my first vlog. It's actually hard to vlog, eh? It's so awkward looking at a camera and you're just talking to yourself. But anyway, today I'm gonna show you one of my favorite go-to cafes here in Baguio City. It's called Ililikha. So what does Ililikha mean? Ililikha means to create, if you translate it in English. This place was actually built to honor the fallen trees of Baguio City. Every material used to build this cafe is made from recycled materials. The village is owned by one of the most renowned artists in the Philippines. His name is Kidlat Tahimik. Speaking of Tahimik, maybe I should put it up. So what's so special about this cafe? First of all, the village itself is an embodiment of art, which represents the highland culture. Other than the electrical wiring and the metal frames used to keep the place intact, the village is decorated with pieces of art that is either recycled, wood-carved, or handmade. As you walk through the village, you'll find various cafes that offers fresh, local source ingredients that caters to vegans, vegetarians, and your everyday normal food as well. There is also a souvenir shop located at the ground floor that sells trinkets and other handmade items. There's also a small cinema inside this small village, which features independent cinematographers. Aside from the cafes and artwork, a massive wooden ship sits at the top of the village overlooking the city. The foot of the ship is adorned by a mosaic of recycled glass that resembles waves glimmering through the rays of the sun, giving the effect that the ship is sailing towards the sunset. I discovered that inside the ship was a cinema. I was lucky enough to bump into the manager, and I had the chance to get some information from him. He told me that the wood used to build the cinema were from the trees that were struck by the typhoon. The artist, Kidlat Tahimik, which by the way means silent thunder, called up the mayor and asked him if he can take the trees and use it to build the cinema. The mayor said yes. Kidlat did not use any blueprint throughout the process of constructing the place. He simply went in every day and let the wood talk to him, to tell him how to make them. The cinema features independent films to help artists to showcase their work. Well, now that you guys have a little bit of info about the place, let's go and check out the cafes, eh? This place is a prime example of what ecotourism is. And as Kidlat said, you should always be open to the things that are thrown at you. I agree with him 100%. One man's rubbish is another man's treasure. And Kidlat proved that by creating something beautiful out of something that was supposed away. The village can be found in Baguio City.